Hello friends, welcome to the channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm gonna share with you ideas on how to organize pots and lids in the kitchen. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. The first method works with drawers. Here we will be storing pots together with lids. The rule for this method is not to overcrowd the space. Always start with the largest pots and gradually move on to the smallest ones. This method of storage is one of the most convenient because we can get the whole set, a pot with the lid, at once and get to work. Each pot has its own place and there is no pile in the drawer. Sometimes we don't have enough space to arrange all the pots one at a time and we have to put a smaller object into a larger one. For this situation there is a great solution. To do this we take all the contents out of the drawer and install a long container with tall sides that can be hung on the side of the drawer or simply be attached to its wall. Now put all the pots back, grouping them by size and category. Try to limit each stack to just a couple of items. Finally, all the lids go to the container. For the next idea we are gonna need a pot lid organizer, which I have shown you before a few times. This time we are gonna use it to organize a kitchen cabinet. Arrange lids by size, from large to small. The last two slots I left empty for a reason. They are perfect for these two pans. The advantage of this organizer is that its size is adjustable. Move it aside and use the remaining space to store pots. There is still a little bit of space available by the wall. Install two tension rods to serve as holders for cutting boards and it's done. Store the pots either two in a stack or together, depending on how much space you have at your disposal. And of course, it's possible to organize storage in a drawer in a similar way. In some cases, we have so much stuff that there is simply no space left for lids. For example, this drawer contains pots, pans and even duff rice in baskets. There is definitely no space left for the lids, that's why they go in the flat drawer above, directly under the stove. Same thing here, start with the largest lid and end with the smallest. It's not a big deal if they overlap. This convenient storage arrangement allows you to easily grab a needed pot and a matching lid. Put a soft cloth or a rag between the pans to protect the coating if you keep the pans one inside the other. In case you don't have a spare drawer to store lids as in the previous method, replace all glass, bulk and fragile lids with their silicone counterparts. These lids take up little space, provide vacuum effect during cooking, are dishwasher safe and just as good as foil or plastic wrap when storing food in the fridge. Remember the first method on this list where we stored pots and lids together. If the drawer is too big and isn't equipped with a non-slip liner, so the pots tend to move all over the space, use tension rods. First, arrange the pots and figure out where fixation is necessary. Second, install tension rods in the drawer. Now the pots remain in place without moving around. It's a convenient and budget-friendly storage method. It's also a good idea to store pots and pans on a sliding corner base cabinet carousel. We get an easy access to all the content just by pulling it out. And last but not least, there are various kitchen manufacturers that offer different ideas of their own for storing pots, pans and lids. Of course, it's usually pricey. However, you would be getting a high-quality product that already comes in right size and fits right in, which may save you lots of time. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!